Well, hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel and to this video where I'm gonna do a bit of a fashion haul. I bought some things for spring. I bought not that many things, but I bought from 3 different places and I thought, I don't know, have I ever done something similar to this? Maybe. I just wanted to show you what I got and I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna let you know if I think that these were worth purchasing. I bought from H&M, I bought 2 things. I bought from Monki, I think I bought 3 things. And I bought from Luisaviaroma and I bought 1 thing because it's expensive. And 1 thing is enough. I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna show you what I bought, I'm gonna tell you why I bought them, and I'm gonna try them on. And if you're wondering about this makeup look, I am gonna post this on my Instagram real soon. I did film it for Instagram, so it's coming. I'll try and link a couple of things that I used down below. Let me start with the H&M actually. Let me get this. As you can see, it's a very small bag because I only bought 2 things, and H&M is a Swedish brand. H&M actually also owns Monki, the other brand that I ordered from, but it's 2 different websites. I don't know if you knew this, but let's call it like the H&M group. The H&M group owns H&M, H&M Home, Monki, Weekday, Cheap Monday, Arket, and Under Stories. Like, they own a lot of brands. I personally am pretty biased towards H&M. It's a Swedish brand and I am from Sweden. I'm sitting in Sweden right now. So let me open this and see what I bought. Okay, so these are the 2 things that I bought. I bought a blue shirt. This is in size 36, Europe 36. And I bought a brown leather belt, and I bought this from the H&M like exclusive line, which is more like better, more exclusive materials. Like this one is real leather. They also work with like suede and silk and stuff like that. And let me see what size I bought. This is a small. And this one is in real leather and it has some gold hardware on it. I bought a belt from Zara a while ago. I didn't own any belts. Let me put it like that. I had 2 black belts, but they both they got destroyed because they were like synthetic materials. So I decided to buy a leather belt from Zara and I liked it so much in black, so I wanted to buy it in brown, but it was sold out. So I found this one very similar from H&M in brown. Let me see how much I paid for this. The paper is down here. This one I paid 149 Swedish crowns, which is about $15, and I paid 199 for the linen mix shirt, so I'm guessing it's cotton and linen, and that is about $20. So let me open that one. Like I said, I bought this in a size 36, which is a small pretty much, and it is just a regular shirt. It has a bit, let me show you. You can see the texture of the shirt. It has a bit of a linen mix in it, and that basically the one thing I wanted with this shirt was the color, because I have seen so many pictures on like Pinterest with a brown leather bottom together with a blue shirt, and I didn't have a blue shirt, but I have 2 brown leather bottoms that I really loved, so I really want to try this on with a brown leather bottom. This is 55% linen and 45% cotton. That's actually a pretty good mix, so let me try these on and we'll see how they look. Okay, I'm filming with my old camera now, so I don't know how this is looking, but hopefully it's looking okay. This is what the shirt is looking like. I honestly think that this is so nice. I mean, I would probably like tuck it in. Oh god, am I getting undressed? Yes. So I would probably have it like this, and maybe I should try the belt as well. Still has the tag on, but I mean, this is a brown belt. Honestly, I kind of like this. It's brown belt with brown pants. Is that a look? You see that? No, I don't think you see out. My cat's just opened the door. Okay, so this is a small, but as you can see, I need a whole lot of more holes in this one. So I'm gonna need a hole here. I hope you can see where the holes are ending. So I'm gonna need another hole for this to fit. But once I have another hole, I could definitely use this. How is this a small with so few holes? I'm not that... like, I'm thin. Yes, I'm a small, but this belt is a small. I don't understand. Okay, so this belt needs some more holes. Badly. Do I have a tool for that? I don't know, but I think Ricardo's mom's husband has one. I think he has a tool for that. So I'm gonna see if I can get some new holes in that one. But I love the shirt. I think I'm gonna wear this to work. I love, like, honestly, tuck in your shirts. Ladies and gentlemen, tuck in your shirts. Get the arms rolled up. That's how you make a shirt look cool. Look at this. Oh, hi, sweetie. You want to say hello? Hi. Hi, YouTube. She's like, I'm not having it. You want to cozy up? No. But yeah, I really love this shirt and I love how the belt looks. It just definitely needs more holes. Badly. Trying to not show my address. Let's not dox myself. This is from Monki, and like I said, Monki is also a Swedish brand. It is owned by the H&M group. This is more the more hip and younger brand. Why I'm ordering from them, nobody knows, but I did. And I bought 3 things, if I'm not totally mistaken. I bought this like a week ago. I can't remember what I bought, but I'm pretty sure I bought 3 things. And Monki is also very inexpensive, just like H&M. And they do have a US website. And I will link that down below because I know that most of my viewers are in US. So you can actually purchase Monki directly from the US site. And you can also purchase Monki at Asos. Asos has Monki, and I will also link that. Okay. First thing I see is that I bought... Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I bought a dress in a yellow pattern. It's like a light yellow, almost the same color as my shirt, with white flowers, and like the twigs, the stems on the flowers are black. So pretty. And I bought this in a small, and it's called Minna, the Minna dress. Oh, I love the material of this. So like flowy and not like, sometimes these kind of materials, they're like crispy. It's like putting a paper bag on. This is nothing like that. Oh, stop it. Nobody listens to me. Okay, you go down. But the paper gets to stay. So this is long. This is a long dress. That is so cute. Let me show you the pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern of the dress, so you can see what the pattern looks like a bit up front. The paper actually doesn't say the prices of these things, so I will link them down below and you can see yourself. But like I said, these are a pretty... Both of these brands, like H&M and Monki, very affordable, so I don't think I paid that much, to be honest. It has a bit of a longer sleeve with a button, and it's buttoned all the way to... it's buttoned all the way to the middle, and then it's just a flowy dress. I'm so excited about this. This looks like something I would... What is this? It looks like something I would love. Let's look at this one. This is the reason that I made the order. I'm so excited about this. I think this is so cool. This is a blazer in green with a short sleeve. I think that this looks so cool. I mean, am I cool enough to wear this? I don't know, but I'm hoping I am. It is more of a boxy blazer, and it has one button that's like a pearl button, and it's just, I bought this in a small as well. I feel like I'm gonna look cool in this. Am I? We don't know. We'll see. This is something, I don't know. The model looked so cool in this, and I just was kind of hoping I would as well, but we'll see. This is the one that I'm not really sure what I bought. Okay, I mean, I know I'm trying to buy tops that are like a bit cool to work with my patterned bottoms, but why does this look like something that's a mix between Peter Pan and My Little Pony? What was I thinking? Am I cool enough for this? It's a bit cool, but am I? No one knows. This is a size small again. I will link it down below. It is called Magnhild. Magnhild. That is such a nice Nordic name. This is called Magnhild, and the blazer, because it also had a name, I'm guessing, it is called Sammy, the Sammy blazer. So let me try these on as well, and we'll just see. Maybe I was drunk making this order, who knows. Okay, so this is the yellow dress. They have long sleeves. I just pulled up the sleeves because, again, pulling up the sleeves, one of the best tricks. This is also small, but this is also like slightly big, and this is a floor length dress. It is like long. These are my sexy socks with so much cat hair. Okay, don't look at those, but it's like a long... Why are my socks so dirty? What did I do? It looks like I went out in just my socks. I didn't. But I feel like this dress, it's so nice. It has a big, nice flow to it. And I love the seam that's like here, mid-thigh, because the buttons stop here. I hope you can see. The button stops here, and then it's like a hem, and it just flows out. I feel like I can have the belt with this, right? I can have the belt with this. That would be so... Why is this so good? Oh, I have to wear that so soon. That was so nice. Oh my god, I love this dress. And together with this belt, ooh, that's a look. A look and a half. This is what the short sleeve blazer looks like. It has one of these openings here that you need to open yourself, and also the pockets also closed right now. You need to open them if you're like, usually brands, they sew together the split at the back and also sew together pockets so things won't get stuck to each other and like tear holes and stuff. So when they are like sewn shut, you need to like open them yourself. But I like this. I just put some jeans and a t-shirt on. I think that I would wear something like this together with dresses though. So I probably should have worn a dress under. I feel like this is something I would wear with like dresses that just needs one more layer. I love having like little short sleeve cardigans over like sundresses, and I feel like this would be perfect over a sundress. These are the kind of things that I bring on vacation, and I am not going on vacation. So I don't know if I love it with this look, but I think that I would really love it together with like dresses. I probably should have worn it with dress, just to show you. Should I change that? Can't be bothered, I don't want to. But yeah, that is probably how I would wear it. But I like it. I like it. It's really cool. It feels like it's something I could wear on top of a lot of things. Even with like a silky like spaghetti strap top and like leather pants or something like this over, and heels. That is something that I would also wear. So I feel like this is something I would get use out of, and I kind of hope I'm right. Fingers crossed, I hope I'm right. Okay, this is what the t-shirt looks like on. Am I cool enough for this? I kind of like it, but it's just very weird. I tucked it into the brown leather pants that I had on before. And I mean, I like how it looks, but do I love it? Don't know. Like, what do you think? I love the pale yellow color, and I really love how it looks with the brown leather. I feel like if I wore this with heels and a cool bag, I can get away with it. I need to ask Ricardo what he thinks. I know he's gonna say like, okay. I just know he's gonna say that, but I mean, I don't hate it. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this? Okay, this is the... Am I showing my address? I don't think so. This is the last box. It is from Luisaviaroma. I don't want to show my address because it is on the top of this box, hopefully not on the bottom. I don't know why this is so big. That's what she said. But it's only holding one item, and this like weighs like nothing. Literally weighs like nothing. Luisaviaroma is one of my favorite stores to shop from. I can't afford to shop from them too often. Both Luisaviaroma and My Teresa are shops that I bought, I think like 6 times together from them. They are a luxury brand, like department store, but online. They only have like more expensive brands, but I've been trying to be more into like fewer but nicer things, so I did get a coupon at Luisaviaroma, and that's why I bought this one. So I bought this with a, I think 30% off coupon, so I didn't pay full price for this. It was a deal. Okay, let's open this up. Inside there is paper. Oh, and it's just like laying in here. It's just laying in here. Okay. This looks nice. This looks nice. When you order from Luisaviaroma, you get one of these strings. And basically this is for you to be able to try the item on. But if it doesn't fit you, or if you want to return it, you have to return it with the string still on. So you're not able to like wear it to an event and then just return it. This string basically means that you cannot wear the item. You see it's like going all around the dress. You cannot wear the item except for trying it. So if you want to return it, it has to be before trying it. I think that's a pretty good thing because these are expensive items after all. This is a Rotate dress. It's a Rotate by Birger Christensen. This is a Danish brand, and it is a brand that I've been wanting to try for so long. And I will link the dress down below. This is not that expensive. Like, it's not affordable. Let me put it like that. I think it's like $200 before my coupon, and I'm pretty sure that I got 30% off. So this is from their spring collection. It is this, like, in Sweden we say plisserat. I have no idea what it's called in like English. Let me show you the pattern. I hope you can see. It's like semi-transparent, and it has this beautiful like 90s inspired pattern. I just think it's so cool. And it is a bit of a v-neck, and it has some ruching here in the middle. It has an opening here for the legs, and it is a bit of a longer dress. I cannot wait to wear this. I bought this in black. And it has some color on it, and I felt like I bought it in black with some color in the pattern because I felt like it was gonna fit with my colored shoes and bags, but it was also gonna go with an all black outfit. I just felt like this could go with so many things, and I like dresses that have longer sleeves that are below the knee because I feel like you can wear them to parties or events or dinners or just to work. You can wear them to work, and that is the kind of dresses that I like to buy. So that is why I bought this that costs a bit more money. So let me try this last one on as well, and I'm so excited. Okay, last item that I'm trying is this Rotate dress, and this is what it looks like. So weird with this one. It has a bit of a split at the sleeves here, so it's meant to be super long sleeve, but you're still being able to like grab things with your palms. It has a bit of elasticated band. This is very true to size. It fits immaculate. It's really pretty. It has a bit of a ruching here at the front, and it's not too low cut, which is something that I like. I despise low cut v-neck dresses or v-neck tops. It's one of my absolute, I hate that. I don't like it on me. I honestly don't like it on a lot of people, not gonna lie. I really like how flowy this is. It also has a slit here. You see it goes to up here, but when you just stand like this, the slit doesn't really show because of the little bit of a ruching here, and it is quite long. Again, with my sexy socks, you can see that it really hits mid-calf. Love the length, love how this looks, love. I really do like it. Feel like this is the kind of dress that I would wear anywhere, to be honest. The movies, a dinner, to work, just out and about, because it's so nice and flowy, but not too fancy or too shiny, so you couldn't wear it on an everyday, but not too boring or too cottony, so it wouldn't fit like a dinner or anything like that. But yeah, really like how this fits and how this looks, and I guess like sometimes you do get what you pay for. But I really love that other yellow dress as well, so I like both of them. I think I'm gonna keep all of it. I honestly think I'm gonna wear that blue shirt to work on Monday. I think it's gonna look really great. Now I can take this off. The thread of doom. Okay, so those were all the pieces that I bought in my little spring haul. I only bought 6 items. I feel like that is more of a somewhat relatable haul at least. I am so excited to have been trying these things. So excited to film this video. If you like these kind of videos and if you like this kind of format, do let me know. I could definitely film it again. Not every month because I don't make 3 orders of clothes a month, but let me know if you're interested and I can totally make that happen. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!